Meaning of hyena.
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 Hyena. A hyena is a carnivorous mammal found in parts of Africa and Asia. They are known for their distinctive vocalizations, which include laughter-like sounds and eerie howls. Hyenas have a reputation for being scavengers, feeding on the remains of dead animals, but they are also skilled hunters and can take down prey much larger than themselves. They have powerful jaws and sharp teeth, as well as a highly developed sense of smell. Despite their somewhat unsavory reputation, hyenas play an important ecological role in their ecosystems and are fascinating creatures to observe in the wild.